should you cover multiple topics on your YouTube channel? I've been talking to some of my consulting clients over the last 6 to 8 months, and it's all about multiple topics on their YouTube channel. I thought I'd share that little secret nugget of truth after 30, 40 hours of discussion with you. First, we'll rewind. Why are we discussing the reason to have multiple topics? So you've got a YouTube channel, you've been creating content all about a specific field of topic for ages, say skateboarding. You've been doing the how to do tricks for ages. I'm not a skateboarder, so bear with me. How to do an ollie, how to do a kickflip, how to fall on your face, how not to fall on your face. Your channel's doing really well, but maybe you're getting a little bit bored of the how-tos. Maybe you've done every how-to in the world. God knows that I've got about 800 how-to YouTube tutorials on this channel. You've seen other people do how-to tutorials and they're doing really, really well with other videos. So you start to wonder, well, if I kind of do what they do. First of all, don't compare yourself. I've made other videos on this before. You should only compare yourself to yourself and then compete with yourself. That's how you grow on the platform. The diversification of your channel seems to be a question that's rattling around in your head. I'm doing okay with the how-tos, but should I add blah? As I said, I sat down with my clients. I had a chat for around about 30 hours, rattling through their brains of should we diversify their content? What kind of topics can we include? How do we grow from that? And then I started an experiment to prove the point.
Let's see what happens when we take away the puppy.
And if you bear with me, I'm just about to tell you the key secret. Should you expand the content on your channel? Should you do multiple topics on your channel? I recently changed the formula of my own YouTube channel. I used to upload how-to videos once a week, twice a week. I'd upload stuff that was still instructional, and I have done for the last 5 years. My YouTube channel is barreling towards 50,000 subscribers right now. I continue to get 300,000-ish views per month, and it's stable, it's consistent. As my income, it draws me clients, and overall, I'm quite happy with it, but I wanted to change the formula a little. This is where some of you that have watched my channel for a while may have noticed this. I started doing 3 videos a week, and it was a how-to Tuesday, a where are they now Wednesday, and a frequently asked Friday. I themed these in my own head. I may not have even discussed them on the channel, but I themed them in my head on the understanding that they were still relevant to my niche, but they were different types of content. Think of it as a kids TV channel. They could run Paw Patrol every day, all day, for the rest of human existence, and make every parent in the world wish to jump off a cliff. Or they can get other educational kids TV programs and sprinkle them around the channel. It still aims for the demographic and the audience that is watching the channel, but it gives them variety. That way, the parents in the morning can watch the Paw Patrol with the kids, and then in the afternoon and the evening, they can watch educational stuff or real life stuff. Watch them walking around the world and teaching them about things that happen to be around them. Can you tell that I've got 2 kids? So, back to the formula and back to the very important secret. These 3 things, the how-to Tuesday, the where are they Wednesday, and the frequently asked Friday, all of these are still within my niche. I can do a how-to, which could be how to do your kickflip. This is the where are they now, in which I do videos about where are specific YouTubers, how they rise to fame and fell to their face, and what lessons we can learn. Once again, still very YouTuber-y focused. You could kind of do documentaries about specific people in your niche, or histories or whatever, that kind of thing. And then frequently asked Fridays, I looked at the things that my community was asking about, what I asked about a lot when I first started my YouTube channel, and I made videos about them, including should I make multiple topics on my YouTube channel. Take what you understand about your niche and have a look. Can you split it up into different types of content that is still relevant to your niche?